Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? You're going to love this video. It's from a few years back, and it just goes to show you how much silver you can find in a box of $50. This was probably one of the best boxes I've ever searched, and I know Don enjoyed it. If you like these videos, give me the up thumb and consider becoming a channel member. Let's get right into it.
Formerly known as Retro. Don. Look at this. This one is a 90%er. 90%er. This looks silver. And it is a 90%er. 40%er. These are enders. We got 3 enders. And that's only half the ends. There's a proof. Looks like an 89 proof right there. Is that another silver I see? It is another. Don, that's another 90%er. All right. So let's do this. We're gonna look at our silver first. So we got a 1989 proof right there. It's a good looking proof too. Not a whole lot of wear. So here we had the one of the 90%ers. We got the 1964. Then we got another ender right here. 1968, 40%er. And then take a look at this. We got at least 2 more in there. If it would focus better, it'd be more obvious. But we've got this one right here. 90%er. Boom. We've got another 90 right there. Man, how I wish that focus would work. We've got another 90%er. The next silver ender. All right, we've got 4 in here. We got a 64. 90%er. We have a 64. And a 66. 40%er. 90%er. Let's see how many we have in here. All right, looks like we got 2 in here. There's the ender. 64, 90%er. There we go. All right, love finding these in there. A Walking Liberty 1943. 90% silver. We got a 2003 NIFC. Spread them out a bit. Yeah, we'll spread them out. All right, we got silver again. We got some silver right here. And it's a 90%er. Been a while since we found any silver. I think we've done 2 rolls. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's some silver. 1964. Another 90. See, not everyone can be like this one right here. It might have 2. There's, yeah, okay. This one I was unsure about. It's got the edges were a little bit dark, and it could have been a different coin with just dirty edges. 40%er. And another 40%er. Double boom. Don hit the jackpot. We're looking for silver. We're not having as much luck as what I would like to tonight. But we got another 90%er for Don. And this one here is another 90%er for Don. It's a 65, 40%er. 90%er right there, Don. Don, we got another one for you. It's a 40%er, 1966. More silver. This one looks like it's worn a lot. Oh, nice. 1917 Walker. Focus. Yeah, this one was the edges were really worn. That's a second Walker out of this box right here. 64. How did I not see that? Or am I talking too much that I'm missing things? 64, 90%er. So 90%er so far out of this box. We're on roll number 24. All those are 90%ers. Come on, more silver showers. All right, we've got silver. Looks like we got two of them in here. We're back to getting two. We've got a 1966. You got a 40%er right there. And we have, oh, I was just going to say, we haven't come across any Franklins. Don's favorite, Ben Franklin, 1963. Boom. We got 40s, 90s, Walkers, and Franklins. We've got a little bit of everything in here. Oh, that was a nifty. A 2018 NIFC. More silver. Come on, 90%er. 64, 90%. Is an 89 Denver minted $50. This is a lot of luster, good shape right here. So I'm going to set that aside for you for your collection. 68, 40%er. I thought there might be one in there, but I wasn't positive, so I didn't yank it out. All right, recap. We got 10 rolls left. 90%ers. 40%ers. Walkers. Franklins. I do know how you get silver in rolls. Might have two. Okay, definitely two. 40%er right there. 67. There's another one right here. 90%er. 64. 7 left. How many more silver are we going to find in here? Well, 2 more in this roll. 64, 90%er. There's another 64, another 90%er. Come on, silver. Let me check this. The edges are really dark. And it is a 67, 40%er. Yep, me too. I love seeing this. Looks like we got one right here. 90%er. It's not over yet. More silver. We got at least 2 of them in this one here. 66. And a 64. Another 90. All right, Don. Here we go. 90%ers. There's 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 90s. 40%er. You got 12 40%ers. 2 Walkers. 1 Franklin. 1 Proof. 2 Nifsies. And a pretty good looking 1989. Awesome box. Congratulations, man. That was sweet. That was fun to go through. I'm going to have to put a little extra on there for postage, that's for sure. But I'm not complaining. That was well worth it. All right.
If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.